So, ayun guys, lumipat kami sa labas ng Pinks. Oo, ayan. Welcome to Bangkok pa rin, sabi ni Albert. Sawadee ka. We're back.
An hour ago, nasa Bangkok. Hindi naman an hour.
Mga 3 to 4 hours ago, nasa Bangkok kami. And then now, nandito na tayo sa BGC. So, nagdi-dinner lang kami guys. That's why we have the pizza, chicken, and salad kanina. Ang daming tao ngayon kasi Friday. Friday today. It's August 9. So, Friday night, madaming tao. Buti na lang nakaupo kami guys agad. Mababait kasi yung mga staff dito. So, ayan. Nandito tayo ngayon sa labas. And hindi masyado mainit. Actually, maganda yung hangin. Hindi kami napapawisan. Kain muna kami. It is 11:30 PM. Ngayon, mag-BGC night walk tayo. Gabi na. Parang nagpa-practice lang ata sila mag-bike, tsaka mag-scooter. Kahit gabi na. And then, party-party pa yung nandito. Yan, madilim na. Wala na kasing ilaw. So, ganito kadilim dito pag 11 PM.
Let's go!
So, let's go na. Hello everybody! Nandito na kami sa bahay. And, nilabas ko na lahat ng binili namin sa Thailand, sa Bangkok. And we have this. We got this, most of this galing sa duty-free nila doon sa King Power Store. Ayan. So, merong Toblerone. Yung Toblerone, buy 3, get 1. Kaya meron kaming 4. Then, meron din kami ganito. So, yan. Dalawa sila. 3 pala. Iba-ibang flavor. Dun sa baba ng Moxie Hotel namin, merong marketplace doon. And we got this snacks. Mga squid siya. Dilis. Ito. Tapos, meron din parang crab. Ang dami nyo guys. Meron pang pasalubong. So, ayan. Okay yan kasi 100 baht each lang to. And if you buy 5 packs, you get 1 free. We are back from Bangkok, guys. Yesterday lang. Tapos nag-dinner kami. And then, naglinis kami ng bahay dito. And also, nag-laundry kami. Which, I'm very sorry. Nakikita niyo mga laundry dyan. Kasi, dry na sila. Comments about Bangkok experience. It's a good 6 days, 5 nights experience. Every other day kami nagpapamassage doon. Of course, magastos. Expected naman namin yon, pero it's worth it. Yung experience, everything. Nakakamiss ngayon ang food nila. Parang hindi naman kami nagsasawa sa Thai food doon. Almost every day kumakain kami ng Thai food.
It's just different flavor talaga yung country nila. Parang dito, parang iba talaga yung Filipino food. Parang sweet or salty. And then there's American stuff. Pero doon is like, ooh, spicy. Talagang may kick or may something. Masarap, iba-iba. It's very interesting to have a different sa taste bud mo, parang experience. It's good for your digestion. It cleans your system.
Nung pabalik naman kami dito sa Philippines, very smooth yung immigration sa Thailand, sa Bangkok.
Yeah.
Sobrang bilis, like
may machine sila na bago ngayon.
yung system kasi nila doon parang, of course, check nila yung mga biometrics, ganon. Yung machine na yung gumagawa na napaka-efficient, as in.
Ang bilis.
Pareho sila ng Japan, tsaka yung Bangkok.
Yeah, we saw that one sa Japan, pero mas mabilis yung kanila.
Mas mabilis dito sa Bangkok. Ang dami nilang machine na available, kaya very efficient. Yun, so pagbalik dito sa Philippines, of course, ayun, nakasakay na kami sa airplane. And then, yun lang, sa airplane, okay naman kasi nasa exit, seat. So, maluwag, may space. But then, meron din kaming mga kasama na may ingay, especially nasa likod. Talagang nagchichikahan sila daw whole flight. And usually kasi, diba, like, chika-chika, ganyan, tapos matutulog na.
O small talk or whisper na.
Or whisper lang.
Pero talagang it's like parang nasa living room sila.
Parang, literal, parang ganun. Parang,
it's a different experience.
Feeling namin, alam na namin yung story nila.
I know, yeah. Pwede ka nang sumabat kasi parang included ka na sa conversation.
So, sobrang, very loud magkwento.
Experience mo pag
So, siguro masaya din yung travels nila. And they're just having a good
fun
time.
And excited sila sa trip.
Then, coming back sa airport ng Philippines, smooth din. Ang tagal lang namin makuha yung luggages namin sa carousel kasi ang ginawa nila, parang 2 different flights in 1 luggage carousel. Kaya ang tagal. But overall, experience, okay pa rin. Walang hassle. After getting our luggage, umuwi na din kami sa bahay. And ayun na guys, nandito na kami sa BGC.
Sasabihin.
Ano yun?
Another good experience and plus living in BGC. Lapit mo sa airport. Technically. Pero pag with traffic, of course, mas malayo. Pero without traffic, kasi yung sa Bangkok, from airport to Bangkok, medyo malayo. Pero traffic is okay naman. Which is malayo lang talaga. Pero pag dito, parang pag dating ng airport, as long as everything's smooth, parang, dito na ako. Wow, bilis. Pero without traffic. With traffic, it's mga provincial, mga ganun, it's hindi ko lang. I don't know. Pero dito, parang sarap na, parang bilis eh. Parang, kanina sa Bangkok tayo, tapos yun, dito na tayo.
Sa Philippines na. I hope nagustuhan niyo yung aming Bangkok travel. And don't forget, if you have a Klook app, go book your travel activities sa Klook app. And don't forget to use my discount code para makatipid kayo sa inyong travel activities. And you can use your Klook app anywhere, not just here in Asia. Anywhere, guys. So, yun, don't forget that. Also, hit the like button if you want to see more of this kind of travel vlogs natin. And comment down below if you have any questions and any suggestions. Hi everybody! Yan, nandito na tayo sa BGC ulit. By the way guys, I'm wearing one of the things na binili natin sa Bangkok. also wearing my cute necklace na I bought sa M-Sphere, Bangkok. Welcome back, Philippines! Hello again! So, subaybayan niyo yung vlog ko, guys. Ayan si Albert, kumukuha ng aking B-rolls. Papunta pala tayo sa may Mitsukoshi Mall. And doon tayo mag-delayed lunch. Tayo guys para saya. And alam niyo naman, kung follower kayo ng aking vlog, pag nandito sa Mitsukoshi, we always go sa my grocery area and then kami kumakain ng mga sushi, sashimi, rolls, and yung mga yakitori nila kasi masasarap guys. Wagyu cubes and chicken yakitori. And overall, ang total natin, mamaya ko na sabihin. Surprise!
Meron?
Bacon na dito.
Saan ka na mapupunta ngayon?
Sana naman tayo sa Uptown Mall. Yan. Kasi katatapos lang natin sa Mitsukoshi. And so, yun lang naman yung gusto kong gawin doon is kumain. So ngayon, iikot naman kami sa Uptown. balik na kami dito ulit sa may Central BGC. Ito si Albert, ang dami nakikitang artista dito sa BGC. Today lang, nakita niya daw si Sanjo. May nakita pa siyang isa pang girl, pinapanood niya. Siya lang nakakakilala nun, guys. Up everybody, and it's so hot, guys. Galing na kami sa Bangkok, pero mas mainit talaga dito sa Philippines. Pupunta lang kami, guys, sa Bonifacio stopover around that area because we're gonna get a massage. Dito na kami sa may Shangri-La area. Nagpabook na ako ng reservation namin. So, nasa 4:30 PM yung reservation natin. It's 4:21. Right on time. Malapit na tayo. Mga 5 more minutes. Ang daming kainan dito malapit sa Shangri-La. And basta maglakad-lakad lang kayo around the area. So magdi-dinner naman kami dito ngayon sa Boteju. I'll be paying BPI signature para makakuha tayo ng 50% off. So ang minimum spend lang is 3,000 pesos. So tingnan natin kung how much ang bill natin mamaya. Ang dami naming in-order, guys. But kung hindi man maubos, iti-take out na lang namin. Hi everyone! Kababalik lang dito sa condo and I'm just gonna share you some items here. So nag-order ako sa Lazada ng mga pouch for traveling. The brand is Bash. Ito yung product ni Bea Alonso. So I'm excited to see yung quality niya. Looks really good quality guys. Heavy duty. Meron siyang 4 different kinds of size. Buksan muna natin yung large. Ayan. So, mag-e-expand siya guys. Ang galing oh. Diba, laki ng in-expand niya. And you can put your shirts here, pants, jeans, kahit na anong clothes dito. And i-fold nyo lang siya na maayos. It's like an organizer talaga for your clothes whenever you're traveling. And I like na meron din plastic cover yung bawat zipper niya. It's nice naman na merong ganun. Quality guys, I'm surprised. Maganda. Kasi most of the ganitong nabibili ko sa Lazada or Shopee, hindi maganda yung quality. Pero ito, it's around 1,750 pesos. Parang ganun. Ayan guys, so meron siyang tag na ganyan. It says Bash. And you can follow them at Bash Manila. So, ayan. Lupitin na natin to. I can't wait to use this for our next travel. I'm sure marami tayong may lalagay sa luggage. Especially, this is so easy to put away. Kasi nga, yung expandable siya and you can collapse it. So, you can keep it, you can store it conveniently sa closet nyo o kung saan man. Diba? Balik nyo lang siya sa dati. Ayan. Flat na siya. Para siyang envelope. So, you have the large. You also have the medium. Ayan, yung small. And then, ito yung extra small. I guess ito yung may lalagay mo yung mga shoes or slippers. And look how spacious it is sa loob when you expand it. Ang deep niya guys. Marami kang malalagay. Ito yung pinakamaliit niya ata. And ang maganda dito guys, napakadami niyang color options available even sa Lazada. So go check them out if you're interested. This is not sponsored. I just really wanted to try it out and see in person yung quality because nasira na yung isa naming ganito. That's why I'm looking for an alternative. For the price, I think it's worth it. Feeling ko tatagal siya. So, yun lang. By the way, speaking of travel, don't forget to use my Klook discount code. That's Vanessa Lucas Klook. Yun, buong buo. Gamitin nyo yan para makasave kayo on your next travel or whenever you book your travel activities. Go use my discount code. I believe you can use that 5 times. Worth it guys, makasave kayo. So, I'll see you guys tomorrow. nandito kami sa One Tusawa. We actually had grilled oyster and beer. And meron din calamari. And then I also ordered tiramisu. Ayan. Good morning, everyone. Guys, may kapareho ako ng damit. So today, nasa labas tayo ngayon. So we have dental schedule. Papa-cleaning lang ako, guys. And we do the cleaning twice a year. Mas maigi yon para ma-maintain natin ang healthy teeth and gums. We are heading to Shangri-La. Time check, it is 10:37 a.m. Aga natin gumising today. And it's also Sunday. So it's nice to walk outside. Si Albert naka-white din, oh. Parang today is team white kami today. We're also both wearing our Onitsuka Tiger. Favorite naman naming shoes yan. Ayan oh. Wala pa masyadong tao. Ang saya maglakad pag ganito. Yan. Ang mall hindi pa bukas kasi 11 AM sila nagbubukas, guys. Maaga pa tayo. But it seems like yung Shake Shack bukas, no? May tao na sa loob. Yan. Pero masaya din naman pag madami. But today, ayan, maaga kasi tayo lumabas. So, ayan yan ang itsura niya. Yes. Most of the malls, close pa. 11 AM sila nagbubukas. Even the stores, the retail stores. Since it's a weekend, they close this road. Ayan. It's car-free weekend. Good. Oh, may mga bikers. O, diba guys? Ang luwag-luwag ng kalsada. Ang saya pag ganito. May naiinitan.
In the shade.
Up. Yan.
Let's go.
Lumabas na yung sun. So, let's go. So, tara. Punta na tayo sa ating dentist. It is 2:48 PM. Dami ng tao.